Rightio. So, one box, all good. Just need to get into it. Trusty's got the keys. All good. Right. Okay, so don't worry about the hole. I made that hole so you can't read my address. It's all good. So this is the Graco Junior Max Group 2 to 3 Highback booster seat, as you can see. Now, I bought one of these a little while ago for our first child, who got to a point where Kitty's car seats were too big. Or too small, sorry. So we bought him this one. And then, my other child has to have one of these as well. So, get out. This is your car seat. So, get out. This is your car seat. Pretty standard stuff though, that's the thing. So, we've got our instruction manual and bits and pieces, contact information and so on and so forth, but you don't really need that if I'm going to be honest, because it is pretty simple. Next we need to get rid of the cable tie. So I need a pair of scissors. No I don't, because I'm He-Man. Cool. That's basically what it's going to look like. So you take these, as you can see you got one here, and one here. That's going to go right here on the bar. Ta-da! interesting. Doesn't sit straight up.
No, they never do.
Yeah, but they're supposed to, aren't they?
When you put them in the seat, yes.
Is that going to sit straight up in the car? Well, no, it's not, because it doesn't bend.
Oh.
That's what I mean. It doesn't sit straight up. So it's going to sit in a car like that. That's not how kids are supposed to sit.
No.
All good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as you can see, seatbelt instructions. You've got two clasps, depending on which side of the seat your child will be sitting. You got left or right. That's pretty much your entire safety restraints putting into the car. When it comes around the back, this doesn't connect to anything, it just sits in the chair. You've got a 3-point of rotation, so this means it can be taken apart quite easily. And on here, right in this corner here, is so you can move it forwards and backwards. There is no way of doing this quietly. That's what happens when you want to take it apart. When you want to take this, when you want to take the seat apart, you've got to get past these three knob first. So in here, this bit of plastic is your safety point to actually like raise the seat up. These are the clasps that are going to hold him in. In order for you to take this seat apart, you have to pull it really hard to get it past these. So in order to put it together, first off, it's going to sit not straight. And then you push once and then push twice, depending on positioning of your car seat and so on and so forth. Like I said, in order for you to do this so the seat is actually in, you literally just thread the seat belt through this side or this side, depending on which side of the car is. We've already bought one of these before for our kids, so we know that they're good. In all honesty, for the money you're getting, for the protection it's going to give you, it's actually not too shabby. It's really, really good quality. Very sturdy plastic. Also comes with 1 cup holder, 2 cup holders. So you can put little snacks in the kids' seat for later and so on and so forth. But this is the red one. They do come in black, grey, and obviously this one's red. But yeah, really good quality, really good stitching, and should last the child a couple of years until they start getting bigger, and then you just start modifying it for however you want to be, basically. Apart from that, all good. Excellent.